What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Roddy's Rides. I'm your host, Roddy. In this video today, we are picking up a new motor for my 3.7 V6 GT500. So if you don't know, I actually ended up blowing up the motor. Here you guys go. 3.7, nothing crazy, just your average supercharged V6. My thought process was we fried a piston ring just because honestly we drove all the way back, and we also did a compression test. But if you haven't seen that, go back in our last video and you can learn and be caught up to where I am today. In all seriousness, I'm actually doing dillo dirt, and I'm doing the whole backyard, and just doing this is not going to pay for the motor, but it's going to help me get a little bit closer. So I had a pallet here, and then I have another pallet over there, so 100 bags overall, and it's just me putting out bags. Yesterday my buddy Brett, and he's the gentleman who's also going to be coming with me this morning, but he gave out a couple handfuls, but still I was out there for a good amount of hours. So don't be thinking they're just throwing me money for the motor and I could do that, because that would be great, but no, it doesn't work like that. Good morning.
Good morning.
You ready to go pick up a motor?
I'm ready. You got the wood?
Oh shit, no. I'm back. Alright. This should suffice. This should work. I don't know how much I want or how much I need. Screw it, we'll take this. Yeah. Let's try this again. How are you, Brett?
I'm doing good.
You ready to go pick up the road?
Yes, sir. I'm ready to hit the road.
Yeah, we got about an hour and 30 minutes in front of us, so we'll keep you posted. That's weird. I want to try this Celsius. I've never had this. Celsius sponsor me. I'm a fiend for your guys' stuff. Not bad. Would you like to try it? I don't know. I don't know what to like compare it to.
I don't know either. It kind of has like a hint of that Baja Blast in it.
Yeah, it's definitely artificial flavoring. You know?
Not bad.
Like, yeah, I wouldn't say it's bad. Pretty good.
I would drink it.
See, I still like the sparkling pear. That one's like my go-to.
That's the first time I've ever tried one of those before, so I don't know what they taste like in general.
Shit, well, if we had some, I would give you one. So now we're ready to hit the road. I made it easy. Oh, it's wire tied.
Yeah, you're good. Come on.
Yeah. Well, Brett, what do we got to say?
She ain't going nowhere, man.
All right.
She's stout as can be.
She's sturdy. She's shaking the whole trailer. All right, ready to hit the road?
Ready to hit the road.
So my old Mustang, I actually ended up blowing the motor, and we had to do something very similar like this, go to pick up a motor and swap it back in. So this ain't my first rodeo, but it's giving me butterflies back in my stomach, because man, I missed that car, but I didn't think I'd be here again picking up a new motor for this car. Actually, no, it was probably a safe assumption I was gonna blow this motor too. All right, now with the motor loaded up, we can start heading back home and go grab us some grub. Bro, where are we going?
I have no clue. I can't eat meat today because it's Good Friday, so I don't know what the hell we're going to get to eat.
To be continued. What's up, guys? So I'm obviously in different clothes from the last clip. So luckily, or I shouldn't say luckily, thankfully, Brett drove us all the way out there, picked up the trailer, and helped me bring the motor home. And I want to say thank you, Brett. I couldn't have done that without you. I really do appreciate it. It really did help me out. And so now you guys know what motor we got. Obviously, I went with another 3.7 V6 just because, first of all, no one does really any like work on these really that really uploads it on YouTube. So I kind of want to just keep exploring the possibilities with this motor and keep engineering like the most I can out of it. You know what I mean? If I'm gonna buy this and get my money's worth, I might as well put my time too. But I ended up going to dinner with my girlfriend and her family, and so I kind of lucked out because all my friends and my family were like, oh, well, we need to get this motor off the trailer. So luckily, since I have the best friend group and best family, they all helped me get the motor off and back into the garage for me. And now this is where it's going to sit. But I actually ended up finishing up all my Dillo dirt. So now I'm free for the weekend. Now I can spend the rest of my time putting this motor into the 3.7 V6 GT500. So with that being said, I don't have too much more to say. You guys saw us pick up the motor. This is the motor. I'm excited to throw this in, and oops, sorry. And I'm excited to have it running and driving car again. Fingers crossed, you know. Celebrate Easter. I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend, and yeah, I'll be spending what little time I have with my family and then working on the car. So I don't know how else I would rather spend my Easter. So hope you guys had a great day. Roddy's Rides out of here.